Hey everybody, I'm Will.
And I'm Adam.
And today on Tread TV, we get to do something pretty cool.
That's right. We are upgrading one of our favorite movie vehicles.
Anybody hear that? Fairly alarmed here.
So here we are today at R&R Tire Express, beautiful sunny Florida, and we're gonna do what we do best, which is upgrade this vehicle. It just happens to be one of the coolest vehicles of all time, the Jurassic Park Jeep.
It happens to be from one of the best movies, one of our favorite movies of all time.
Yes.
Jurassic Park came out in 1993, broke all kind of records.
Oh.
Second highest grossing film
Literally
in
still
the 90s.
Yes, second highest grossing film in the 90s, behind Titanic.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
It's the Titanic.
What are you gonna do?
Nothing. There's nothing you can't do. But what we can do today is clean this bad boy up a little bit. We've got some killer wheels we're gonna show. We got some really cool tires I'm excited to unveil a little bit.
Yes.
But before we do that, I think we were gonna tell the story of how we got there.
Oh, absolutely. So I know you and I were talking for a long time about it. We wanted a great movie car. We talked about the Batmobile. We had talked about Ecto-1 from Ghostbusters. All of that's coming soon.
True.
We were gonna rent the Jurassic Park Jeep as one of our videos, but then
one day I'm scrolling through Facebook Marketplace. I see this beautiful post right in front of me, and I sent a screenshot to Will. I said, I think we gotta buy it.
and we did. We bought it.
The rest is history.
So we didn't rent this vehicle. This is ours now.
Accounting department's really upset. We'll figure that out.
That's okay. It'll be great. Because you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna upgrade this
We're
thing.
gonna upgrade it. Look, and you and I, we know a lot about movies. We like that.
But there's one person here that knows way more about tires and wheels than we do.
We're gonna bring him in now. It's Ian, our tire and wheel engineer.
God help us, we're in the hands of engineers.
So here we are. We got the man with the plan, Ian. He's our tire and wheel engineer. Also a giant fan of Jurassic Park. Am I right?
Very big fan.
So we're excited, hands on this vehicle today. Tell everybody out there, what are we doing to our Jurassic Park Jeep?
First, just let me say that I'm so excited to be working on this vehicle right now. We're gonna do some Fuel Zephyr wheels and some Nitto mud grapplers.
Now, Ian, I gotta ask you, because the wheels look great. You know, we stuck with the red. We had a lot of conversations about, do you keep it OG and, you know, how original do you go? But we found something pretty
Definitely
cool.
keep it OG.
The tires, you wanna tell them what's kind of special about the tires?
The Nitto mud grapplers actually have little raptor claws, like designs on the side of them, so it's very, very on point with what we're doing today.
So really what he's saying is, this is the best day ever. We're about to put dinosaur tires on a Jurassic Park Jeep. Awesome wheels. It's gonna look incredible, but we gotta let this guy get
That's
to work.
right.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right.
So-
We're gonna get out of your way. Thank you, brother. We can't wait to see the final product.
No problem.
Check it out.
I'm talking about man-made cataclysmic change.
You did it. You crazy son of a bitch, you did it.
Will, I know you and I were both excited about this, but I don't think either one of us knew how good this was really gonna turn out.
This thing looks awesome. With the fuel wheels, the tire, listen, this is what it should look like in the movie. This looks way better.
I agree. You want to tell them a little bit about what we did, what we added?
Absolutely. First of all, we put a 4-inch rough country lift on the Jeep. Then Fuel Zephyr wheels along with Nitto mud grapplers. They got the reptilian sidewall.
You couldn't not
No.
do that.
You got the raptor claws in the treads. Listen,
Who doesn't want raptor claws in their tires? Nobody.
This looks incredible,
Yeah.
and we couldn't be happier with the way it turned out.
Now, one of my favorite upgrades we've done so far. Very jealous, excited to see it done. And listen, stay tuned on this channel. We've got some more exciting movie vehicles coming soon. So be on the lookout for that. Will, thanks so much for having me.
Oh my gosh, thanks for being here. And hey, if you want to upgrade your ride, if you happen to have a Jurassic Park Jeep laying around your house, bring it on down to R&R Tire Express. Go to rnrtires.com/locations. We got stores everywhere.
They're everywhere.
They're everywhere. And we would love to have you come in and bring your ride. So hey, I'm going to take this thing home now, and I'm going to drive it around town. I really appreciate it. This is a nice
That's not
gift.
going to happen.
Thanks so
Yeah,
much.
thank you, though. I'm actually going to take it, but I do need your help getting in.
I'm not helping you.
I'm a
get-
short guy. Serve, not service.
All right,
Just come on, you know the drill.
Oh. All right.
Oh, thank you.
That wasn't demeaning. Thanks for watching this episode of Tread TV. If you'd like more information on how to care for your vehicle or your tires and wheels, make sure to watch our other videos. Or you can subscribe to our channel and ring the bell and never miss a single update.